There's no doubt that dishwashers save time. But not everything belongs inside it. If you put these utensils inside, you are quietly shortening their life. I have used a dishwasher for years. These 6 utensils are still good only because I never washed them in the dishwasher. Dishwashers use 3 things together: high heat, strong detergent, and long cycles. That combination is perfect for steel and glasses, but not for every Indian kitchen utensil. This is my aluminum karahi, aluminum pan, and aluminum pressure cooker that I have been using for 25 years. Aluminum looks tough, so most people assume it's dishwasher safe. Dishwasher detergent reacts with aluminum slowly. It doesn't go bad immediately, but it turns dull, chalky, and rough over time. So when aluminum looks old, it's not poor quality, it's just being washed the wrong way. A quick hand wash keeps it new for years. This is my cast iron tawa and this is my cast iron wok that I have been using for more than 15 years and have never washed them in dishwasher. They have now become almost like non-stick tawa and non-stick wok. Iron pots and pans survive because of seasoning, not soap. When you wash iron utensils in the dishwasher, this is how they become. They get rusty and old and flaky. Don't put your cast iron pots and pans in the dishwasher. Just take a little dish liquid soap, put it in a sponge or a scrub and scrub it with hands gently and everything comes off right away. After washing your cast iron utensils, just make sure to wipe them off with a towel. If you want, you can season it with oil and they will remain good for a very long time. Wooden spoons, spatula and utensils feel strong and natural, but wood absorbs water and dish soap. When you put wooden utensils inside the dishwasher, dishwashers force soap deep inside them. Wood doesn't crack because it's weak. It cracks because it's forced to dry unevenly. Never put plastic containers in dishwashers. Plastic containers don't melt in the dishwasher. That's why people trust it. Repeated heat quietly weakens it. Dishwasher causes cloudiness, warping and loose lids. They start smelling, staining and never feel clean again. Occasional use is fine. Daily washing in the dishwasher ruins them completely. Once I washed this lid in the dishwasher and it broke at several spots and it's not flexible anymore. Never put copper or brass in the dishwasher or this is what will happen. Copper and brass are about shine. Dishwasher detergent attacks that shine directly. Copper and brass hate dishwasher detergents. Once dishwasher detergent dulls copper or brass, that shine doesn't really come back. Traditional cleaning with lime lemon works best with copper and brass. It's easier to wash copper and brass with hands. Just squeeze a little lime on the scrubber, scrub gently both outside and inside and leave for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just scrub them one more time, rinse in plain simple cold water, wipe it down with a clean cloth and it's like new again. Non-stick pans look strong, but look what has happened when I washed once or twice in the dishwasher. Harsh detergent and long heat from the dishwasher weakens the coating. This is the waffle maker. Look how the coating has come out. Never put non-stick in the dishwasher. When food suddenly starts sticking, it's not your cooking, but it's the coating that has quietly thinned. This non-stick pan is 6 years old and I have never washed it in the dishwasher. So gentle hand washing makes the non-stick last longer. So what should stay out of dishwasher? Most damage doesn't happen in one wash. Aluminum, iron, wood, plastic, copper, non-stick, keep these out and most damages never happen. So yes, dishwashers save time but only when you use wisely. If this helped you avoid even one mistake, you'll probably like what I share here. Subscribe for simple, practical kitchen tips and cooking. Thanks for watching.